Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is chicken sotanghon. What makes my sotanghon flavorful are the added ingredients. I don't only put chicken but I also added special meatballs with shrimp balls, and instead of quail eggs, I added hard-boiled eggs. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. First, the shiitake mushroom. Soak in 30 minutes in warm water, then squeeze, then slice, and remove the hard stem of the mushroom upon slicing. Let's make the chicken stock. In a pot, combine the cubed carrots, the quartered onions, green onions, the chicken, and the water. Season with salt and crushed pepper. Let's make a special meatballs with shrimp. Put in a food processor, shrimp, green onions, and carrots. After grinding in a bowl, put the ground pork, the grind shrimp mixtures, the egg, season with salt, add the flour as a binder and pepper, and lastly, the sesame oil. Then form a big meatballs. I use 2 tablespoons for uniform size. Wet your palm so that the meat mixtures will not stick to your hand. I use vermicelli bean thread. Soak in water for about 5 minutes or until you can cut the noodles with scissors. Then transfer the drained vermicelli to a bowl with annatto oil. Then mix until the vermicelli covered with annatto oil. In a pan, heat the annatto oil, then saute the garlic until aromatics, then add the white onion until translucent, before adding the chicken. Then add the chicken. Have a good saute with the chicken, then add the fish sauce. Please do not mix the fish sauce. Wait until the fishy flavor evaporates. Let the chicken absorb the good flavors of fish sauce before adding the chicken stock. Then add the chicken broth. Cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes before adding the next ingredients. Add more liquid like water, allow to simmer, then add the meatballs, followed by the shiitake mushrooms and shrimp balls. Then add the carrots, mix, and then put the rest of the fish sauce. Allow to simmer without the lid to let evaporates the fishy smell of the fish sauce from the soup. Let's go back to the pot of chicken broth. Add the rest of the shrimp balls for added flavors. Back to the pan, it already evaporates the strong odor from the fish sauce. Cover for a while, then add the prepared vermicelli noodles. When it's almost done, add the stems of napa cabbage. Cook for 2 minutes, then add the snow peas and eggs, then cover again. Then lastly, add the napa cabbage leaves. Taste and season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Let's eat, guys! Hello, Kayami! Hello, friends!
Hey, looks
Welcome
delicious.
to my channel.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, this is what we're going to eat. Tinining! Sotanghon! Chicken sotanghon with meatballs, shrimp balls, egg, and many more. Yum, yum! Okay?
Looks delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna get you one egg lang for you.
That's fine.
How many meatballs?
I can start out small. One of each, because I don't, have to be
That's why
just a little
I
bit.
made an extra soup because you know vermicelli, it's really sucking a lot of liquid. He's a sucker.
Looks good.
Gonna sip everything. Ayun! Found it. 1 egg. Meatballs, 1 egg, and shrimp balls. More soup, Han?
Oh, I'm good. Thank you anyway.
And that's an extra soup, guys. Toasted garlic. Toasted garlic.
Taste this. I'm just waiting for it. Let's eat, Kayami.
Hindi sotanghon.
It looks very good.
Still hot? It's good. You need to put toasted garlic. What about you? You like the
I
toasted
already
garlic?
put toasted garlic in mine.
You can add more salt and pepper.
Oh, it's good.
Because you put a lot of calamansi.
What about you?
Everything is good, right?
Yep.
Plexo, Tita Lil. Hello, Tita Lil. The mother of Lara.
Oh, your friend.
Yeah, I see you. Watch on Friday.
What kind of eggs are these? Just regular eggs?
No. That's organic.
Organic.
It's really good. Kakamis. Still hot.
What is this mushroom?
You can use shiitake, dried mushroom.
Looks like green beans.
Green beans, that's a snow peas. And then
Mushroom.
on the vegetables, whatever vegetables of pancit, like carrots, sayote, squash. What else, honey? Still remember mine, the cabbage. Just like this one, I put napa cabbage. As long as it's green leafy vegetables. It's really good, the shrimp balls. You can also put squid balls.
All of it tastes good.
Everything. Okay na, we say bye-bye na.
Bye, Karami.
Kayami.
Kayami.
See you next time.
I'm gonna eat now.
Yum, yum.
Kayami, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.